welcome to this YouTube video. Okay, today in this video we are going to be backtesting what Euro USD. Well, while using the backtesting concept also, I will show you guys how it actually helped us to make profit through this week. So probably this is the Sundas FX channel. The link is at the video description below. Okay, so believe me, everybody in this group last week was getting analysis and updates back to back, right? I showed them my trades, my entry and everything. As you can see, this is one of the entry I took on Euro USD. Okay, and this day was when? This was on 8th February. Okay, that was probably on Monday or so. Okay, this was the profits in the account. Like everything is being shown. This is the Sundas FX VIP group and other people trading. As you can see, this person was trading GBP USD sell. I was basically trading Euro USD. So this actually shows you that once you have the knowledge, you can trade any pair of your choice, right? You can trade any pair or anything you want to. You can see it. So probably the trade is around 30 pips in profit, 30 pips trade, and we back then this is the next day. I literally posted the fundamentals and there was high impact news, and I was watching gold. Okay, I was watching gold, waiting for a retracement to sell. Trust me, gold actually dropped nice. This was when I did the analysis on gold. Okay, so this was when I was in the trade. Okay, this was the beginning of the trade. As you can see, gold probably started dropping here. As you can see, this is good trades on gold. Okay, so this basically from the concept of backtesting, knowing what is happening, or after getting the knowledge or after seeing how you backtest, you have the knowledge of what the market can do. It gives you more confidence, right, to take your trades or anything. Okay, this was still the gold trades running in profit. Okay, this was around 50 pips profit. Okay, so I'm not over risking or over leveraging, but trust me, the news actually did something which we also know what news for. The news actually went to take out my stop loss. That's around, I was risking 55 pips or so. So the news hit my stop loss, as you can see here. But me knowing that yes, it's still a sell, it's just that the news went to trigger for the stop loss, right? I re-entered again immediately around 1886 to 1881, made back the losses. I was really upset because as a human being or anything, you should be upset because you know that yes, it's going down, but now it's just hit your stop loss and started going down. Although I took the sell, covered back my loss, at the end of the day the profit in this account was just $2. It's funny, but due to the human feelings and emotion which shouldn't be in trading, I didn't hold the trade for long or anything. I just left everything there. But I still told them the analysis was still valid, right? I still told them you can still keep holding on your trades. So later that day, gold actually started dropping massively, as you can see, after taking out the stop losses here. Then probably assuming I held my re-entry, it would have been in deep profit. This was the next day, gold was still dropping 1854. So probably the analysis was highly what solid, right? But due to I prefer trading Euro USD and everything, I left gold for what Euro USD and went back to my Euro USD and keep making my profit. So this was yesterday's trade. So probably when the high of the day was formed, tapped into this FVG around 17,500, then held to 1.07850. So it was a solid trade also. It dropped nicely. So probably the sales was good. Okay, so here is when I made the profit I made $129 I made on Friday trading Euro USD. But I closed it early because I was very busy. But trust me, the trade went to TP and everybody in the VIP group who held their trades, right? Their trade also went to what? Take profit. So today in this video we're gonna be backtesting this previous week what price action. So I'll be reviewing my trades also to know probably any mistakes. Remember, the more you backtest, the more better you actually get in viewing and understanding the market. And if you haven't watched any of my backtesting videos, do well to check them out. There is a playlist of how to backtest. Watch them, you will understand better. But today in this particular video, so what we're going to be doing here is actually we see that now the low of the week was formed on what? Thursday, then high of the week Thursday, after taking out what? Monday. Okay, it didn't really take out Monday anyway. let's zoom in. Okay, so this was Monday. See, Monday's high came in at 1.0799. That's 1 point, let's just say 1.08, right? Then Tuesday actually having the low of 1.07668, which Friday end up taking out. Okay, so 1.0663, not really by much, let's calculate this weekly range. So this weekly range from Monday to this around 150 pips weekly range, but trust me, every day would like probably have a high and low. Okay, so you can see how everything is probably moving. Then sometimes the weekly also what gives you confluence. On Thursday when I saw price here around 1.077, when you look at the weekly candle, I forgot to take the image. I should have taken the image anyway. So see where market was around here. Okay, now let me show you. So when market was around here, it left a very long wick with a tiny body. I thought, like, normally when I see something like that, I show myself, I'll be like, there is no way the weekly candle will be like this with a tiny body and has a long wick. It's highly what rare. So probably that is why market came down feeling it. And trust me, when Thursday forms high and Friday forms low, the next week a reversal is intended. The reversal might not really actually what break higher, but the reversal might actually what tap into this zone, then keep selling lower. So next week we'll have so many opportunities again in the market, but it depends on the knowledge you have. That is what give you edge over the market. So let's break down to the 4 hour time frame. Going to the 4 hour time frame, literally looks as if the price action was what consolidating, but not really. But now look at this other block on the H4, which price actually used on Thursday. This was the other block formed on Monday. Price tapped into it on Thursday, then gave this nice drop. So probably if you didn't catch this Thursday drop, right, Friday there was a retracement which we actually caught. Then this, I took this trade on Thursday and Friday. It's like on gold. This is the trade I was trying to take on gold, but gold went ahead to take out my stop loss first before dropping lower. That's why I don't really want to trade gold. I prefer my what Euro USD. So now with this in mind, you see where the market is actually what's coming from. You have seen the price action. Also, this buy on Tuesday would have been taken when you see that this Monday's lows was taken out. How many pips extra was added? Just observe. This is too small. I want to actually know. Okay, just around here. So this 30 something pips, then pushed up. Excuse me. Then dropped down. So Wednesday there was not really much interesting price action. That is to show you that every day you might not. And this other block also of the previous day was used the next day. This, although price did not fully tap into it, just mitigated it, and probably all this was also what liquidity building lower here, which price came back to what sweep. So believe me, you don't really have to mark all this out. You don't really have to mark all this out, this and this, but just bear in mind that yes, price is definitely what gonna come down to take it, but price have to, it's not gonna come down immediately or anything. So there are many ways to view the market, there are many ways to understand the market. It all depends on the concept or the ones you would have in, depends on what you know. Knowledge is power. So that is why if you actually want to join our VIP mentorship, do well to contact me on Telegram or WhatsApp. I'll be dropping my details at the video description below. Okay, also if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, do well to like, subscribe and share this YouTube video. And more updates will be on Telegram, so do well to join our Telegram. And just decided to show you guys a review of where we have been working, although I've not really been active on YouTube. Or yeah, I'll be back very very soon, and I'll still drop back to back. Then if you're a beginner, we have a playlist of Forex beginner videos. You can still go to our playlist on our YouTube channel to check them out. Okay, once again, and thanks for watching this YouTube video, and bye bye.